is familiar. It's the airport.
Hello.
Jesus Christ. Home of the LS Tractor. Come on, look. Whew. Yeah, Mom, do you think I'm not? Look, it's the airplane. You're probably wondering, why are we at the airport? Well, today, the day has finally came. We are going to Montana today. And, no, I didn't say it yet. And it's 5:48 a.m. We did get here at like 5 o'clock, but anyways, this needs, okay. And this is day one.
It's your boy, Grayson.
This is day one, and we're gonna have 7 days. And stop shaking this thing. Jesus. You know what? Never mind. We're on the plane now. Hey-o. So we've landed in Charlotte. I don't know how you get in it.
No.
Yeah. And now we're going to have breakfast here.
It's just annoying.
It's a Mexican restaurant.
That's not.
Such a cute are like the worst.
This is actually super good. Eggs, toast, bacon, really good. Now we're boarding the plane to Montana. It's gonna be a 5-hour flight. And we got Caleb, Nana, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. My headlight all the way down there. It's super blurry because I'm in the middle. Hey, yo, Montana. Small airport. What the heck is that? Look, we landed. And it's just so wrong. Literally, such a small airport. Actually, a super
Oh my God.
cool airport. We're now at the airport getting shuttled to place where we're getting rental cars, and look at those mountains. Hey, we were gonna stay over there if we got here one night earlier, but now we're staying at Whitefish Lodge. Remember when I said it's not that remote? Well, it's not that remote until you get, until you get out of the airport. There's like no one. It's deserted. So much fun stuff to do here. There's s'mores outdoors, Montana's movies, canoeing, snowshoe, board games, cycling,
I'm
evening
talking to us.
refresher, shush. And Whitefish Lake is where we're staying.
What are you talking about?
Lodge at Whitefish Lake. And we are going
Yeah, I
to
can't
check
buckle.
in to one of these condos right by
Ow.
the lake. Let's go. The best part of our condo is this amazing view of the lake and the mountains. And we might go out there tonight. So since my camera died last night and I didn't have wouldn't charge it until like overnight because it takes a long time to charge. There was really no ending to part 1, and so it's just gonna connect to part 2, which is today when we are going to Glacier. It's about 5:45, and we are going to hike Avalanche Lake and explore Lake McDonald. What we did yesterday is we just had dinner and we were skipping rocks, and I'm super good at skipping rocks apparently. And yeah, see you in the park. We just keep, it's Montana, you just keep going straight into the mountains. The mountains are beautiful. Because listening to music. Look, it's beautiful. In the park. Oh, look, Middle Fork. This is where we're gonna whitewater raft. Where there's rapids, like somewhere. On the other side, there's more rapids. Hey.
Are you taking a picture?
Look at that.
In the park,
Look.
West Glacier.
It's
Like McDonald's.
Lake McDonald is beautiful. Waterfall way back there.
James, look.
So cool. So we park. Whoa. We're getting on the trail. But straight uphill. Holy. Whoa. That water is so blue and sheen. Water's beautiful. This water tastes great. We just straight up climbed up this rock. It was actually pretty, that's the rock. It was pretty easy. It's pretty dark on this trail. Avalanche burial. Look at those waterfalls. They're like 2,000 feet. Avalanche Basin. Sperry Glacier. Right up there.
Here we go again, guys.
James! Yeah, I got in the water. My hair is wet. And it's freezing. And there are these really cool like slugs on this one rock. Super cool. Yeah, I'm still here at Avalanche. There's a bear over there. Bear. So far away. Look at this water, it's so blue.
Could have been probably there was.
It's a huge tree. That's cool.
Exit.
Cool. Fun bridge. We made it to our car and now we're going to Lake McDonald to swim in Avalanche. Bye, dear. So we finished swimming in Lake McDonald and now we're going back to our lodge to maybe get in the hot tub and the pool. We might be stuck in the park with like nothing to do because it's raining and yeah. So the real reason of why we were stuck there was because someone had gotten in a car crash like 2 miles ahead of where we were, and we ended up being stuck there for around 2 hours. And it was really late when we got back, but we did get in the hot tub and the pool. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to stay tuned for part 2 of this, I guess, 6-part series. It will be whitewater rafting, and make sure to like and subscribe, and
Bye.
bye.
Bye.